Have you ever wondered what all the little blinking lights on your smoke alarm mean? Well, if you have, stay tuned. Now there's a sound you don't want to hear at 3:30 in the morning. In this video, I'm going to be explaining what the little blinking lights and some of the beeping tones from your smoke alarm mean. On this particular model, the green LED shows that the unit is getting AC power, and this one has a red LED that also flashes around every 45 seconds or so. Now that just means that the alarm is functioning normally. Now some of them just have a red light that stays on continuously to show that the unit is active. Other ones, the red light will flash maybe every 30 seconds or every 45 seconds, and that also means that the unit is active and that it's functioning normally. Now some alarms, like the one in this video, will also let you know if there's a malfunction in the alarm itself by chirping 20 seconds or so after the red LED flashes. It doesn't chirp with it, it chirps after or before the LED flashes, and that indicates that there is a problem inside of the alarm itself. On some of them, the unit will chirp at the same time that the LED flashes, and that means that the battery needs to be replaced. If you have multiple alarms in your home and they're all interconnected in a system, so that if one of the alarms detects smoke, it will sound all of the alarms. If you're getting false alarms, sometimes it's hard to figure out which alarm actually detected the smoke or which alarm actually produced the false alarm. So if you don't know which alarm actually triggered the false alarm, if you don't know which room the false alarm was triggered in, you can check the different units in all of the rooms and look for the one with the rapidly flashing light, because that is the one that triggered the false alarm. The rest of them, the lights will just be functioning normally, even though every unit will be sounding an alarm. So if you found this video interesting, entertaining, or helpful in some way, please don't forget to like it, and you can also leave comments in the section below. Thanks for watching.